Hello students, let's try to understand one more problem student. What is the problem here? If you see student, the equivalent conductance of sodium acetate. Sodium acetate means what student? CH3COONA. It is the equivalent conductance they have given student. Then sodium chloride they have given, lambda EQ they have given, NaCl student, and again lambda EQ given student, HCl they have given. What are the value dear student? This is the 83, it is the 127 and it is the 426. A Maho centimeter square equivalent inverse. Maho means what Simon student? Okay. So let us write, I am writing that is Simon centimeter square equivalent inverse student. This is also Simon centimeter square equivalent inverse and this is Simon centimeter square equivalent inverse. Calculate the equivalent conductance of acetic acid solution student. So lambda EQ they are asking for acetic acid na student, acetic acid. So that is what CH3COOH student. So dear student, this is the being asked student. Equivalent conductance they are asking. They didn't mention the concentration student, but we have to understand that it will be the infinite dilution student, right? Because we are going to apply the Kohler's law student. So if you are using the Kohler's law student, you can be able to solve this one, because acetic acid we needed student CH3COOH is there. Okay, you can treat with any of this one, right student, so that you can get some of the product student. So with what we can treat student, I am treating with the NaCl, so checking that is what the product you are going to get student. So dear student, you are going to get student here HCl you going to get student. So one is the HCl and second one is CH3COONA student. This is going to be what student? That is the going to be product dear student, and here it is going to be what student? This is the reactant. So how can you be able to find student? Product minus reactant you need to do student, right? Product minus reactant. So lambda, right student? So equivalent conductivity I am mentioning with the smaller lambda. So here you see student, lambda m. Okay, CH3COOH is equal to product minus reactant student. What are the product are there student? So lambda m naught HCl is there student, plus lambda m naught what CH3COONA is there student, minus reactant, which one we have to take student? NaCl I am taking student, minus lambda m naught NaCl student. You place out the value student, then you will get the answer. So HCl they have given student 426 dear student, this is the 426. CH3COONA they have given student, it is the 83 student, minus NaCl they have given 127 student, this is the 127. Now let us try to solve it out student. If you are solving, right student, 83 plus 426, so 639 student, and 8 to 10 student, 415, 509 minus 127 student. So 9 minus 7 means 2 student. Here 10 minus 2 means 8 student. Carry out here 4 minus 1 student, 3. So it is going to be 382. It is going to be Simon centimeter square mole inverse student. So this is what the equivalent, that is equivalent conductivity of acetic acid student. Here you can mention the EQ student, this position you can mention. Even you are not mentioning, there is not going to be any problem student. So this is our required answer student. Thank you so much for watching friends.